Hey Bajans, I know that Barbados is a sporty country, but maybe you want to know what sports is done in Schifferstadt, my hometown. And we're here now at the Rustlers. So come in and find out.
Alex goes Barbados!
Barbados for real.
Hey, it's Alex again, and today we are here in Schifferstadt at a wrestling match. Schifferstadt in southwest of Germany is prominent for wrestling. Our Olympic participants, Wilfried Dietrich Gold medalist from 1960, and Dennis Kuttler, bronze medalist in 2016, keep our hearts beating for this sport. Though it is a local event, the fans are in the best mood to support our team, the VfK 07 Schifferstadt, dressed in red and black. Different wrestling styles and weight classes meet this evening. You might have the impression that wrestling is brutal, but in fact it is one of the fairest sports ever. And of course, Germans need a beer and a Wurst. One doesn't get the rules at first, but the fights are very stirring. Most important for the watchers is the atmosphere and to meet friends. So Bajans, let me know in the comment which sport attractions I have to visit and feature on my vlog when in Barbados in a few weeks. Finally, after 10 fights and 10 victories, our team celebrates the success. And as always,
Alex goes Barbados!
Barbados for real.